Good morning, students. In previous class, I have done exercise 4.5. Okay. Today, we will do exercise 4.5. Okay. You can see exercise 4.5. Pause it and take a screenshot. Pause it and take a screenshot. Okay, students. Question number. Okay, let's start. Subtract and check your answer. Why do we check our answer? We will get to know our subtraction is correct or not. Okay, students. Okay, 6,328 is greater number. 2,435 is smaller number. Okay, find the difference. Subtract the ones digit. 5 from 8 is equal to 3. Write 3 in ones place. Okay, subtract tens digit. We cannot subtract 3 from 2 because 2 is less than 2 is less than 3, so we cannot subtract 3 from 2. So we will borrow 100 from 300. So 300 becomes 200 and 2 becomes 12. Okay, subtract 3 from 12 is equal to 9. Okay, subtract hundreds digit. Okay, we cannot subtract 4 from 2. 2 is less than 2 is less than from 4. So 2 is less than 4. So we cannot subtract 4 from 2. So we will borrow 1,000 from 6,000. Okay, 6,000 becomes 5,000 and 200 becomes 1,200. Okay, we will borrow 1,000. Okay, to 1,000 is equal to 10,000. 10,000 plus 2 is equal to 12,000. Okay, subtract 4 from 12 is equal to 8. Write 8 100 place. Okay, subtract thousands. 2 from 5 is equal to 3. Okay, the difference is 3,893. Okay, we can check the subtraction by adding the smaller number to the difference. Okay, if the sum turns out to be the greater number, that means the subtraction is correct. Okay, the difference is 3,893. Okay, and smaller number is 2,435. Okay. Okay, add the ones digit. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Add the tens digit. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. Write 2 in tens place and carry over 1 to the hundred place. Okay, add hundreds digit. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Add 1 carry. 12 plus 1 is equal to 3. Write 3 in 100 place. Add 1,000. 3 plus 2 is equal to 13. Write 3 in ones place and carry over 1 to the 1,000. Okay, add thousands. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Add 1 carry. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Okay, we have got greater number 6328. That means our subtraction is correct. Okay students, next question. Question number B. 6946 minus 2358. Okay students, subtract ones digit. Okay, 8 from 6, we cannot 8 from 6, 6 is less than 8, so we cannot subtract 8 from 6, so we will borrow 110 from 410. So 410 becomes 310 and 6 becomes 16. Okay, we will borrow 110. 110 is equal to 10 ones. 10 ones plus 6 is equal to 16. Subtract 8 from 16 is equal to 8. Okay, subtract tens digit. 3 minus 5, we cannot subtract 5 from 3. 3 is less than 5, so we cannot subtract it. Okay, so we will borrow 100 from 900. So 900 becomes 800 and 3 becomes 13. We will borrow 100. 100 is equal to 10 tens. Okay, so 10 tens plus 3 is equal to 13. Okay, we can subtract 5 from 13 is equal to 8. Okay, subtract hundreds. 3 from 8 is equal to 5. Okay, subtract thousands. 6 minus 2, 2 from 6 is equal to 4. Okay, the difference is 4588. Okay, okay, how to check our subtraction? We add smaller number to the difference to get greater number. Okay, if we get greater number, our answer is correct. Okay, the difference is 4588. And a smaller number is 2358. Okay, add a smaller number to the difference. Okay, add the ones digit. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Write 6 in ones place and carry over 1 to the tens place. Okay, add the tens digit. 8 plus 5 is equal to 12 and add 1 carry. 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. Okay, write 3 in ones place, write 3 in tens place and carry over 1. Okay, sorry. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13 and add 1 carry. 13 plus 1 is equal to 14. Sorry. And carry over 1 to the 100 place. Okay, at the 100 place, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 and add 1 carry. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Okay, finally we add 1000. Okay, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Okay, okay, we have got greater number. Okay, greater number is 6946. So 6946. So our subtraction is correct. Okay, next exercise. Exercise 4.6. 4.6. 4.6 word problems. Okay, Suman, pause it and take a screenshot. Question number 1. Suman earns 6,950 per month. Okay, if she saves 2,755 every month, how much money does she spend each month? Okay, Suman earns 6,950 rupees per month. Okay, the total income of Suman per month 6,950. Okay, if she saves 2,755 every month, okay, how much money does she spend each month? Okay, if we subtract savings from income, so we will get total expenditure per month. Okay, students. Okay, look at the question number 1. Question number 1. Total income. Total income per month is equal to 69,050. Okay, students. Savings per month okay 2,755 okay subtract savings from total income to get total expenditure okay total expenditure okay students 1 10 100 1000 okay subtract ones digit okay 0 minus 5 we cannot subtract 5 from 0 0 is less than 5 so we will not subtract okay so we will borrow 110 from 5 tens 5 tens becomes 4 tens and 0 becomes 10 ones okay subtract you can see clearly okay subtract 5 from 10 is equal to 5 okay subtract tens digit 4 minus 5 we cannot subtract 5 from 4 4 is less than 5 so we will borrow 100 from 900 so 800 becomes 900 becomes 800 and 4 becomes 14 okay 100 is equal to 10 tens okay 10 tens plus 4 tens is equal to 14 tens okay to subtract 5 from 14 is equal to 9 okay subtract tens digit okay subtract 7 from 8 is equal to 1 write 1 in 100 place Okay, finally we subtract thousands. 2 from 6 is equal to 4. Okay, total expenditure is 4,195. Okay. Okay, next question. Question number 2. Pause it and take a screenshot. By how much is 6,000 greater than 3,693? If we subtract 3,693 from 6,000, so we will get to know by how much is 6,000 greater than 3,693. Okay, student. Next question. 6,000. Okay. 3,693. Okay, write the place 1, 10, 100, 1000. Okay, students, we cannot subtract, start ones digit. Okay, we cannot subtract 3 from 0 because we have 0 tens, 0 ones, so we cannot subtract 3 from 0. Okay, we will borrow tens, so we have 0 tens and we have 0 hundreds, so we regroup 6,000. Okay, 6,000. Okay, so we will borrow 1,000 from 6,000, so 6,000 becomes 5,000. Okay, and 0 becomes 10 hundreds. Okay, we will borrow 100 from 1000, so 1000 becomes 900, or 0 becomes 10 tens. Okay, borrow 110 from 1010, so 1010 becomes 910 and 0 becomes 10. Okay, students, subtract ones digit 3 from 10 is equal to 7. Okay, subtract tens digit 9 from 9 is equal to 0. Okay, subtract 100 digit 6 from 9 is equal to 3. And finally we subtract thousands. 3 from 5 is equal to 2. Okay, students, by how much 6,000 greater than 3,693? By how much? 2,307. Okay, students. Question number 3. Out of 5,685 bananas in a market, okay, 4,180 were sold. How many bananas are left in the market? Okay, total bananas are 5,865 and sold bananas, number of bananas sold 4,180. Okay, if we subtract number of bananas sold from total number of bananas, so we will find how many bananas are left. Okay, students. Question number 4. Question number 3. Total bananas, total number of bananas 5685. Okay student, number of bananas sold. Is equal to 4180. Okay, subtract number of bananas from total number of bananas to get number of bananas left. Okay, 1, 10, 100, 1000. Okay, subtract ones digit. 5 minus 0. Okay, 0 from 5 is equal to 5. Subtract tens digit. 8 from 8 is equal to 0. Subtract hundreds. 1 from 6 is equal to 5. And subtract thousands. 4 from 5 is equal to 1. Okay, number of left bananas are 1505. Okay students. Okay, question number 4. 5, 6, 7, 8 we will do in next class. Okay student, question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3 complete on your notebook, and exercise 4.5 complete, and exercise 4.6 1 to 3 complete on your notebook. Okay, question 4 to 8 we will do in next class. Okay student. Okay, bye.